Hi everybody, this is my soft camo eye tutorial. These are the products I've been using. This is the Unique Press Shadows, Epic Mascara, and Stellar Lipstick. So first step, we're just going to take the color Astute. It's a soft brown color, and we're just going to windshield wiper it as our transition color all across the eye, just underneath the brow bone and over the majority of the lid. So I'm using Unique's blending brush. It's a soft fluffy brush. It's one of my favorites. Any fluffy brush that you have that you love will work. So once I've got both eyes looking even, I'm just going to clean up my edges a little bit there with my finger, and we can move on to the next step. My next shade we're going to be using is called Inconceivable. It's an emerald green color and it's shimmery. I'm also using my crease brush for this color. So what I'm doing when I do my crease, I tend to keep my eye open so I get that natural fold in my eyelid, and that's where I'm plopping that green color. So on the outer corner of my eye, in that natural fold of my eyelid, and then I'm also going to go into the inner corners of my eye because I'm going to do more of a halo look today. Don't worry if you feel like you see the harsh line between the two shades. We're going to clean off our fluffy brush and we're just going to blend those two colors super lightly together. That way we get a nice transition between the two colors. Our next step is we're going to take this brand new shade. It's called Alive. It's got a gold look to it, and we're just going to tap it to the middle part of our eyelid. This is going to give that halo effect. So I've just taken a flat brush and I'm just tapping that powder right to the middle of my eye. Now that we have the basics for our look down, I'm going to go back in and take that first color we used, Astute, with my crease brush, and I'm just going to darken the outer corner of my eye. So that's when you do the number 7 shape, or some people call it the V shape, and just darken that corner in a bit. And then you can go back in again with your fluffy brush and just give it a quick little blend, and it should be seamless. Now, I don't worry about having my straight edge at the corner of my eye yet, because once you're actually done your whole look, you can just clean that right up with a little bit of concealer and it will give you that nice straight edge. Now I'm just taking Optimistic with my finger, dabbing it on the inner corner of my eye. You can blend it out a bit with your crease brush. This is just for a highlight. Now let's bring some color down to our lower lash line. So I've taken Inconceivable, that emerald green color, and I'm just throwing it underneath with a crease brush. And I'm going to go over it, same spot, with a little bit of Astute. That's that brown color, just so we can bring some of the color down to our lower part of our lash line. Now I want just a little bit more pop on my eyelids. So I've just taken some setting spray and I've wet my brush and dipped it back into Alive and just popped a little bit of the wet pigment right in the middle of the center of my lid and right in the center of my lower lash line, just to get that vibrancy of that new color Alive, because I absolutely love it. Now I'm just grabbing my pencil liner in black. I'm just gonna line my lashes there. If you're not an eyeliner fan, you can do the same trick, just wet a flat brush and you can dip your wet brush into a darker eyeliner and you can use that as an eyeliner as well. Either works. So our last step is going to be mascara. So we're going to be using Epic Mascara today. And just like that, I've just put a big clump of mascara on my finished eyeshadow. Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. I'm going to show you at the end of the video how to clean it up without smearing all your hard work away. So this is just one coat of Epic Mascara on both top and bottom lashes. This mascara is amazing, mostly because it's one step and also because it lengthens and curls at the same time. I love the length this mascara gives me and how little work it requires to get it. I'm going to go and throw on one quick second coat. There we go, just to get a little bit extra length, and we can move on to lipstick. So today's lipstick is Splash Matte Liquid Lipstick. This color is Stellar, so it's like a beige nude. I always like to wipe the excess off of the applicator first because you really don't need a lot for your application, and then just put it on there. It's going to dry matte, and the lipstick does have a long wear time. Now let's fix that mess on top of my eyeshadow. Take a clean spoolie and now just flick it away. And you shouldn't have to touch up your eyeshadow at all. There we go, nice and dry, and it just flicks right off. So there's a nice little trick. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you like this soft camel inspired eye. Bye.